Hi, this is Josh from MYOB Enterprise Solutions. This video is a look at payroll tax reporting for Australian companies in the payroll module of MYOB Advanced. The Payroll Tax Liability Report helps Australian companies work out the amount of state payroll tax they're liable for. The report is filtered by state and optionally by branch, and shows employee payments that are liable for payroll tax, broken down first by employee tax status, then by payment tax status, and finally payroll tax category. If a company operates across multiple states, the report shows the amount of payroll tax liable payments for the selected state, and also an interstate amount, which is the amount of payments for all other states. You can use the report to generate the payroll tax liable payment amounts, then enter these amounts into the online payroll tax portal for each state as necessary. Once you've calculated the amounts of payroll tax to pay using these portals, payments matching these amounts can be generated in MYOB Advanced. The figures on the Payroll Tax Liability Report are calculated using pay run data from within the selected date range, in combination with a variety of system settings. Pay items are marked as liable for payroll tax and assigned a payroll tax category on the Pay Item Liabilities screen. The list of available categories changes depending on whether the pay item is liable or not. The settings on the Payroll Tax tab of the Pay Details screen let you specify which state each employee should be included in for payroll tax calculation. By default, they're assigned to the state that their branch is in, but you can also assign the state according to their address, or pick one manually. You can also mark individual employees as exempt from payroll tax. Payment amounts for exempt employees are listed separately on the report. Also, the Employee History tab of the Employees screen includes an option to mark employees as an apprentice or trainee, which also has an effect on their payroll tax. If you want a more detailed look at the data that's used to calculate the values on the Payroll Tax Liability Report, you can see it on the Payroll Tax Liability Details generic inquiry. This inquiry details all transactions that make up the Payroll Tax Liability Report. As with the report, you can set filters to see the data that relates to a specific date range, branch, and state. Another generic inquiry, Payroll Tax Liability ETP, details those transactions that make up the tax-free portion of any employee termination payments that are included in the report, giving you the complete picture. And that concludes our look at payroll tax reporting in the payroll module of MYOB Advanced. Thanks for watching.